Hi, my name's Toby Borup and I'm a rock chip repair expert. Don't you hate when a rock flies and hits your windshield? Alright, let's take a look at it. Okay. I love these kind of chips. So, it costs anywhere from $200, $300, $400, up to $1,000 to replace your windshield. To fix a rock chip, it usually costs $0 through your insurance with full coverage. So give us a call or click the link or go to honestrockchip.com and make an appointment now. We're mobile. We can come to you at home or at work or if you're out running errands, and it literally only takes about 10 minutes of your time. We'll fix it. We'll save you hundreds of dollars, and you can keep that money for whatever you want to use it for. All right, I'm gonna let you have a sneak peek and watch me fix it.